Inside of your MyMathLab Gradebook, I'm going to show you how to add offline items. So offline item is something that the students completed in class and turn it in to you. And you want to add that to your MyMathLab Gradebook. So if they completed a project, a group project, an activity, and you want to add it in, so you'll click right here, offline items, add items. Next. And then you'll decide, okay, what category is that going into? Participation, homework, quiz, test, whatever it may be. So maybe they took their unit one test in person. So I'm going to click on test and then unit one test. What date did they do it? How many points? So maybe it was 100 points. Click on next. And then once you click on next, you'll see the full list of roster and the students' names. And then right here, they'll have your a box and you'll type in everyone's grades into that box. And then just make sure you'll click save and all of the students will have their unit one test applied in the gradebook.